Hi everyone, and welcome to our Omni X200 dashcam giveaway. Big thank you to 70My for providing this dashcam to one of our lucky followers. Let's get straight into it. We had 117 correct entries. I'll just scroll down to show you that all the numbers are there. We'll shuffle them up. Here we go. Good luck everyone. $10.55, no, 1032. Let me just check. YouTube username is ELLEA. Congratulations, we'll be in touch in the next few days to organise some postage. Thanks guys, have a great weekend. Be sure to check out our other dashcam reviews for more giveaways in the future.